AI is changing everything, from how businesses make decisions to how machines understand language and images. But here's the truth nobody talks about. AI can't work without data mining. It's the process of digging through raw data to find the patterns that make AI smart. This video course is Introductory Data Mining. The book the material comes from is Data Rookies, Data Mining Basics, available from Data Analytics Curriculum LLC and can be direct downloaded from the website. In addition, there are supplements and lab exercises for download. Chapter 2: Obtaining and Exploring Data. Welcome to Section 2.2, Data Dictionary. By the end of this short lesson, you'll be able to 1. Explain what a data dictionary is and why it's useful. 2. Identify the main parts, like variable names, types, and labels. 3. Understand coded values and summary statistics. 4. Know to check the dictionary or create your own summaries when exploring new data. What is a data dictionary? A data dictionary is essentially metadata. It's data about your data. It describes every variable in a dataset, its name, type, label, and meaning. In other words, it's a guide that helps users understand what each column represents and how to use it correctly. Data dictionaries are extremely valuable when you're exploring a new dataset or collaborating with others. They prevent confusion, reduce mistakes, and make your analysis more efficient. Not every dataset comes with a data dictionary, but whenever one is available, it's worth checking before you start analyzing. Example: IPS Data Dictionary. Let's look at an example from the *IPS* dataset, the Integrated Post-Secondary Education Data System, from the U.S. Department of Education. IPS data covers information from colleges and universities going back to the late 1980s. Its data dictionary comes as an Excel file with multiple sheets. Each sheet lists the variables, gives detailed definitions, and sometimes includes units of measurement or coding notes. This structure makes it much easier to know what the data represents before running your analysis. Key parts of a data dictionary. Most data dictionaries include a few common elements such as variable type and name, label of the data field, whether calculations have been performed, the source and description of the data. Let's look at a few of these in more detail. Coded values. Coded values are numerical codes that represent text categories. They make datasets smaller and easier to process, especially for categorical variables. For example, suppose you have a variable called state. Instead of writing each state name, the data might use 1 equals Alabama, 2 equals Alaska, 3 equals Arizona, and so on. Without a data dictionary, these codes would be meaningless. So, always check how categories are coded before analyzing. Frequencies and percentages. A frequency table shows how often each value appears in your data. It may also show what percent of the total each value represents. This helps you see the distribution of a variable, whether one category dominates, or if there are missing values. It's one of the first tools analysts use to get a sense of what the data looks like in practice. Summary statistics. Summary statistics describe numeric variables using simple measures like the mean, median, minimum, maximum, and range. They help you quickly understand the scale and spread of your data. For example, you might see that income ranges from $25,000 to $200,000, or that the median age in your dataset is 35. These statistics provide a quick snapshot of your dataset and can also help detect unusual values or potential errors. When no data dictionary is provided. Sometimes, you won't get a data dictionary at all, especially with open data or legacy files. In those cases, create your own summaries. Start by using basic commands or visualization tools to explore each variable. If something isn't clear, consult a domain expert, someone familiar with the subject area. As you learn, document what you find. Your notes can become a custom data dictionary that saves time for anyone using the data in the future. Summary. In short, a data dictionary is an essential companion to your dataset. It describes every variable in clear detail, making your analysis easier, faster, and more reliable. When a dictionary is provided, use it. When it's missing, create one as you go. Remember, the book and supplemental resources are available online at Data Analytics Curriculum's website.